Hi guys, my name is Nikunj and I'm back with another video. So, with the pandemic and everyone working at home, the demand for computer accessories like keyboards, mouse, and other peripheral devices has been very high. And I also was in the market for a good keyboard for a while, and I came across the Logitech MK850. And I had been looking out for deals for a while for this on Logitech's website, on Amazon and Flipkart, and a couple of other websites. And I recently got an amazing deal on Flipkart where I got the combo for only 5,600 bucks. That's about $80 in the US. So today I just received it and we'll be doing an unboxing and a short review of how the product is, what I feel about it. So let's get into the unboxing. Well, this is certainly not what I ordered. It says G413 carbon mechanical gaming keyboard. It's definitely a Logitech product, but not the one that I ordered. Let me check. Yeah, the invoice I've received, that's for the Logitech MK850 performance Bluetooth keyboard and mouse combo, but all right, let's see. Let's open this up and see what this is. This is certainly a used box for sure. It's taped up from 3 places over here, ripped all open. Even the seals that we have over here, the seals are broken. It has just been taped. Okay, not the correct spot. Okay, there's another cardboard box. Alright, that's official. Not the product I ordered. Now let's do one thing. We received it. We're going to return it, but let's do a review nonetheless. What do you say? So this is, let me check the box once again. So this is the G413 carbon from Logitech. Looks like an RGB keyboard. I'm not 100% sure of that. I've not really heard of this keyboard before. Romer G tactile switches. Switches deliver 25% faster keystrokes and are quieter than standard mechanical switches. So that tells me that this is not exactly a mechanical keyboard. All right. So this apparently has a USB pass-through port in it. And they provide us with 12 extra tactile keycaps. Everything else is covered with this. And nothing else on the box. So let's keep this aside and let's open this puppy up. What do we have here? Okay, these are the extra keycaps they were talking about. So we have 5 and 7 in total. So we have 1 to 5 in terms of numbers, then Q, W, E, R, A, S, D, and a little handy tool to remove the keycaps from the keyboard. I'll keep this back in. Okay, it's a standard USB input, and actually it has a splitter with two USB ports. Why does it have two ports? That's strange. But I like the quality of the cable though. It's really thick. It's a braided cable. And it's an included cable. It cannot be detached. Apart from this, we do not have anything else in the box, just some paperwork. Yep, some basic paperwork. And here we have the keyboard. Now let me pull this out from here as well. Well, that's actually pretty heavy. And I really like the build quality here. The braided cable, as I mentioned, this is really good quality cable. This is actually brushed aluminum with the Logitech G engraved over here. Apart from that, oh, that's really, really nice. Can you guys look at this? I'll just zoom in really quickly. Really good material, and it has this little feet, these rubber feet over here, 5 of those in total, and then these little feet over here that you can flip out. And the overall angle that you get with those feet, that's really nice. And actually, just look at this, just listen to the sound. Nice tactile response from the keys. These are definitely not proper mechanical switches for sure. They're pretty close to mechanical switches, not proper mechanical, not like the Cherry MX switches. But I really like the travel. I really like the actuation that I'm getting from the keys when I'm typing on this. And yeah, the spacebar. In a lot of such keyboards, I've seen that the spacebar is either too heavy or it's too light. So you either have to apply too much force to press the spacebar, or even if you're resting your thumb on it, you end up pressing the spacebar a little bit. And that's actually not the case here. The amount of force that you need to apply for the spacebar is not a lot, very minimal, but it's still there. You would not be accidentally pressing this. So that's a good thing. And this is a full keyboard layout with the number row and everything. It has a proper numpad. And yeah, overall, I'm really surprised with the quality here. Let me just quickly check what's the price for this. And let me try and connect with my laptop as well to see what kind of quality are we dealing with. Okay, that did not do anything. All right, I have it connected to my laptop now, and gosh, this is red. So, firstly, as I mentioned, this has two USB ports at the end through a splitter, right? So I connected one of the USB ports to my laptop. It did not do anything. When I connected the second one, it started working. So I'll have to check what exactly the second one does. I'll have to check Logitech's website for that. And I checked out the price for this as well on Logitech's website. So this, as I mentioned earlier, I ordered the MK850 from Flipkart, ended up getting this. Strange thing is that this is not listed on Flipkart's website at all. And that is something that is really strange. So I checked out other websites, I checked out Amazon. So on Amazon, this is currently available for 5,500. That's again around 75 $80. And on the box itself, the maximum retail price that's mentioned, that's 8,000. That's around $110. So this is definitely on the expensive side, but the overall quality that we have in terms of the build quality, the keys, the overall typing experience, that's really, really nice. And I, for anyone who has been using mechanical switches, definitely the person is going to, notice the difference. But for anyone who is using membrane switches and then he's making a transition to this, it's absolutely day and night for sure. Now, talking about this particular keyboard, this has a dedicated Windows key. It has a proper row for the function keys, but no dedicated media keys whatsoever. So if you need to change the brightness or anything, you can actually use the function key along with the F7 key to cycle through the various modes we have as far as the brightness of the backlight is concerned. This is not RGB, this is only the R of the RGB, so it just has a red backlight. And as you can, you guys might be able to see this in the camera over here. It has small labels for the alternate functions that the function keys can perform. So from F9 till F12, we have the media keys for play, pause, forward, backward, and whatever. And the print screen, the scroll lock, and the pause can be used as your volume controls. Again, you would need to use your function key along with that, but that's all right. And overall, for gaming, the layout is pretty decent. The keys are well spaced, so you would not end up hitting any key accidentally. The overall travel of the keys, that's really nice, and pretty decent resistance when you're pressing the keys down. So all in all, this is definitely a good keyboard. And if I was not looking for something specific like I am, I would definitely use this. So as far as build quality is concerned, I am definitely giving this a thumbs up. Overall, aesthetics, yes, definitely a thumbs up. Maybe not for a few people. A lot of products these days are complete RGB. Even Logitech has a lot of such products. This is not one of those, so bear that in mind. So this is definitely another solid product from Logitech. I've been a Logitech fan for a very long time. I already own a wireless keyboard from Logitech. It's the K230. It's a membrane keyboard. And unfortunately, when the lockdown happened, I was on leave from office, so I did not get a chance to get that from my office. Otherwise, I would have definitely used that. And when it comes to mouse, I am currently using the M331 from Logitech. This is one of the mouse from their Silent series. And if you guys can try and pay attention, I clicked this like 7 times. Absolutely quiet. So this is definitely something which is really amazing, really, really small. But again, the requirement I currently have, that's very different. Again, I need to use the product with 2 different devices altogether. And there are times that I have up to 3 devices at once, even a Mac. that I am working on and testing things out on. So the option that I selected, the MK850, that would give me that flexibility. But otherwise, if that is not something that I was looking for, I did not have a specific requirement for it, this is definitely something that I would recommend and use myself. I do a little bit of gaming. I play NBA 2K. So this is something that would definitely give me a lot of joy to use. So yeah, these are my thoughts on it. I really like it. I definitely recommend it. So just let me know if any one of you has used this in the past, or if you're using it right now, or if you want to get one of these for yourself. So that was certainly a weird one. I did not want to do a review of this, was hoping to do a review of something totally different. Ended up getting these, doing a review of it, and actually liking the product. So, you guys can go ahead, check it out. This is the G413 Carbon from Logitech. It's a mechanical gaming keyboard that they have, and this is definitely something that I would recommend if you have a budget of around 6,000 or 7,000 bucks. You do have a lot of other options in the market at this price point, so you can go ahead and check those out as well. I personally like this. I personally recommend it, and I'll be placing a return request for this because again, not something that I currently need. And once I have the MK850 in my hand, I have the combo with me, I'll be doing an unboxing and a review of that as well. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel if you like the content, like the video, and until next time, take care.